Hi everyone, I'm Heidi and we are in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. I'm so excited to be here with Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. I know it's a mouthful, but it's very important to know. Tell us a little bit about what we're doing today. Is this a side salad, main salad? Have at it.
All the above. So
Okay.
you could make it a side salad with anything else that you're wanting to serve, but it's also a great main dish salad because it has a lot of components and it can be very filling. So we started with romaine, so it's just chopped romaine. And then we have some edamame, which are fresh soybeans. So you can get these in the freezer section and you can get them already shelled. So just nuke those for a couple of minutes to heat them up to the proper temperature and then cool them down. Put them on your salad.
And tell me why those are important. Is it a fiber, protein? What are they good for?
They have lots of phytonutrients and they have good fiber and they do have a little bit of protein, and so they're just very good for you.
Okay.
Okay. And then we have some bell pepper, so that's chopped up on here. And then just for even added fun, we have some pumpkin seeds, which again with fiber and a little bit of protein. And you can add any kind of dried fruit that you want, but we do have some dried cranberries here, some craisins. And you can get the ones that have a little bit less sugar also, which is what we have today.
Okay.
Because cranberries obviously are very, very sour, but you can buy the version that has less sugar.
Right, trying to save on the sugar just for health purposes.
Right.
Okay.
And then to top this whole thing off, we're gonna do a peanut butter vinaigrette. So it has a little bit of a Thai flavor to it. So we're gonna start with a couple of tablespoons of creamy peanut butter.
And how can you go wrong with peanut butter
I know,
and
right?
dressing?
Right. But if you cannot eat peanut butter because you have allergies or whatever, use sun butter because that is a sunflower seed puree just like peanut butter.
Okay, so they can still do that. You're just changing
Substitute
it
that.
up.
And so this is just going to get a little bit of chili flakes. You can get those just in the spice section at the grocery store. We have a couple of tablespoons of white vinegar and a couple of tablespoons of lime juice, a couple of teaspoons of soy sauce, low sodium or lower sodium soy sauce.
Just to keep the salt down.
Yep. And then we're going to go with 2 tablespoons of honey. This is very stretchy honey.
That's always the hard part.
Yes.
But you roll with it.
And then this is all going to get whisked together. And then when this salad is assembled, I mean, it's great just the way it is, but also delicious if you wanted to put some grilled or pan-seared chicken or shrimp on top of it. And we also love a little pan-seared or grilled tofu.
Okay, I was just going to say, like, if someone prefers to be a little more on the vegan side or plant-based, they can use that as well.
Yes. And so this is going to maybe take a little bit of doing to get this completely
stirred up.
Yes, emulsified here with our peanut butter. It's very
It sure
thick.
looks good. Smells good.
And so when you're choosing your peanut butter too, make sure and choose a peanut butter that has either no sugar or low sugar and doesn't have any palm oil in it.
Oh, good note. And why is that?
It doesn't need it, so they use it as an emulsifier, but palm oils are very high in saturated fat and they're just not good for you. And so try to choose one that's just peanuts and salt.
Okay, so some of those things can be very easy as long as you're keeping in mind like lower sodium, lower sugar,
Yes.
just little things that you can do to help make it a little healthier.
Yes. Okay, so this vinaigrette is ready to go. And so if you want to taste it with a little bit of lettuce, I could drizzle it on there if you think.
Totally up to you. I think this is beautiful. I don't know if you want to wait or not,
Yeah,
but
maybe just taste
I'm
a little.
fine doing either or because I'm totally tasting.
Okay,
So
taste it.
I will grab a pepper and I will give it a shot. It smells so good. Oh my goodness, I could eat the whole thing.
The ginger and the garlic that I added in there at the end really
has
add.
a little sweet. It's just really good. You guys will have to try it. So definitely check out the recipes, the resources, Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, and go to kjrh.com for more information.